This is Neil Napier and welcome to this page. 2021 is the year of the agency, which means that local businesses are opening up shops again and people like your customers are looking to help them get more leads through the door, get more traffic through the door, more leads and more sales as well. So it is the year of the agency, and that's exactly what our next product is all about. The next product is called Vidproposals, and it's going to help your customers create beautiful video focused personalized proposals for businesses, send them over, get them signed and get paid in return as well. So this is something that we're looking to release to the market, and it's got a beautiful funnel with a low ticket front end and a $197 upsell number one. As always, we'll be doing a webinar where we'll offer a bundle deal so that you and your customers can get an incredible deal that will only be available for a short time. So make sure you check out all the details on this page. We have a $10,000 contest. Make sure you participate in that as well and make good money with us. This is Neil Napier. I'm looking forward to see you on the leaderboard of Vidproposals.